Namaste everyone. Here I am going to discuss solution for your first assignment of linear equation in two variable. The first question which I have given is find the point where the graph of equation 3x plus 4y equal to 12 cut the x-axis and y-axis. Now first understand question properly. What you have to find out? You have to find out the point. Okay, that means you have to find x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, point means point has got x coordinate and y coordinate where it cuts x-axis. This line, okay, you know that when you plot the line, when you plot this linear equation in two variable, you will get a straight line. Now that straight line, when we plot on the graph paper, it may possible that it will cut x-axis as well as y-axis. So here we need to find out the point where it cut the x-axis and where it cut the y-axis. So as you know, the point where it cut x-axis, their y coordinate will be 0 because all the point along x-axis have y coordinate 0, and in the same way all the point along y-axis have x coordinate 0. So what we will do? Here the question is find the point on the graph where this equation cut the x-axis and y-axis. So I will say in solution that, okay, let us write in solution, I will say that let 3x plus 4y equal to 12 cut x-axis at x1 comma 0. Now y coordinate we know that is 0, x coordinate we don't know, so we will say that it is x1. So let 3x plus 4y equal to 12 cut the x-axis at, now as this is a point, we can name this some variable like a. At point a, x comma 0, x1 comma 0, this line cut the x-axis and this line cut y-axis at b, and at b I will take 0 because along y-axis my y coordinate is 0, so I will say that 0 comma y2, let us say. Okay, x1 comma 0 is a point where the line cut x-axis and 0 comma y2 be the point where the line cut the y-axis. Now as point A and point B are on the line 3x plus 4y equal to 12, they will satisfy. So as point A and B are on the line, they satisfy equation of line. So I will say that, so therefore for point A, 3 into x coordinate of point A is x1, 3 into x1 plus 4 into y coordinate is 0, this is equals to 12. That gives me value of 3x1 is equals to 12. That gives me the value of x1 as 12 upon 3, which is 4. So therefore point A is 4 comma 0. Now for point B which is 0 comma y2, we have 3 into 0 because x coordinate is 0 plus 4 into y2, this is 12. This gives me value of 4y is equals to 4y2 is equals to 12. Okay, this gives me the value of y2 as 3. So the point B is 0, 3. So finally you can say that therefore a, which is 4, 0 and b, which is 0, 3 are the required points on x and y axis respectively. Required point means the point which we have to find it. Okay. So I hope you understand this question. Again see, our question is find the point where the graph of the equation 3x plus 4y equal to 12 cut the x-axis and y-axis. So here we don't know the point and we have to find only the point. They have not asked us to draw the graph. So if you are drawing the graph, it is fine, but it is not mentioned in the problem that you have to draw the graph. You have to only find the point along x-axis and y-axis. So we have find out the point along the x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Now after getting the point, you can plot the graph. It is up to you. Now second question is, now here in second question, the question is that draw the graph. So here you have to draw the graph. Draw the graph of the equation represented by a straight line which is parallel to x-axis and at a distance of 3 units below it. Now I have to draw graph. So the question is only to draw graph. Now we know that a line parallel to x-axis is of the form y equal to b. Okay, y equal to b, and here the y equal to b, the value of b is -3 because we have to draw a line parallel to x-axis and 3 units below it. So what we will do? We will, in solution directly we can plot y-axis and x-axis. Okay, along x-axis, this is our origin. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Along y-axis it is 1, 2, 3 like that, and downside we have -1, -2, -3. Here we have -1, -2, -3. This is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. We have to draw graph of the equation represented by a straight line which is parallel to x-axis. So parallel to x-axis we have to draw, which is at a distance of 3 units. So at a distance of 3 units I have this point at a distance of 3 units along y-axis. Now I will draw a line which will pass through this point 3. This is my line. Now what is the name of this line? The name of this line is y is equals to -3. So for second question, we have to draw just a graph. Now let us move to next question. Here the question is determine the point on the graph of equation 2x plus 5y equal to 20 whose x coordinate is 5/2 times its ordinate. Now ordinate means y coordinate. Okay. So here what we have to do? Here we have to determine the point on the graph whose x coordinate is 5/2 times y coordinate. Here note is mentioned that x coordinate is called abscissa and y coordinate is called ordinate. I hope you know this thing. Now in solution, determine the point. So as I don't know the point, I know one relation. So I will say that let, again I can say that let a x1 comma y1, you can say a comma b or x1 y1, whatever you want. Let a x1 y1 be the required point. Now as per problem, x coordinate is 5/2 y coordinate. So we have, so given, we can say that given, what is given? It is given that x coordinate is, or as x coordinate is given, So x coordinate is, we have given that this x coordinate is 5 upon 2 times y coordinate. So x coordinate, we have x coordinate as x1, this x1 is given 5 upon 2 times y1. I will consider this as equation 1. Now point A is a point on the line. So point A, which is x1 comma y1, is a point on line. Now as this is a point on line, it will satisfy the equation of line. Is a point on line, I can mention the line which is 2x plus 5y equal to 20. So therefore we will say that 2 into x1 plus 5 into y1 equal to 20. Now the value of x1 is 5 upon 2 y1. So therefore from 1 I will say, from 1, 2 into, in place of x1 I will say that 5 upon 2 y1 plus 5y1 equal to 20. Now this 2 and 2 will cancel and I have 5y1 plus 5y1 equal to 20. This gives us 10y1 equal to 20. This gives us y1 equal to 20 upon 10 is equals to 2. So the value of y1 is 2. Therefore from 1, again we can use 1. From 1 we have x1 equal to 5 upon 2 y1, which is 5 upon 2 into 2, which is equals to this 2 will cancel and we have this value as 5. This 2 and 2 will cancel and I have answer as 5. So therefore x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 2. Therefore 5 comma 2 is the required point. Now again see the question. What is the question? The question is determine the point on the graph. So we have to determine the point on the graph. So this 5 comma 2 is the required point on the graph, right? I hope you understand. Okay. So it is very important that you read question, okay, properly. You understand each and everything which is given in the problem, and most important, you should know what exactly you have to find out and that you have to find out. Okay. Nothing else. Now the fourth question, if the point 3 comma 4 lies on the graph 3y equal to ax plus 7, then find the value of a. Now it is given that this point is on this graph. Okay. So in solution what is given? Point 3 comma 4 lies on graph, this point lies on graph 3y equal to ax plus 7. Now this 3 comma 4 lies on this graph, therefore 3 into y, in place of y we will say 4 plus a into 3, because as this point lies on this graph, this point will satisfy this equation. So in place of y we can put 4 and in place of x we can put 3 and this will equate this condition. So 3 into 4 plus a into 3 plus in between we have equal to sign. So 3 into 4, this is equal to a into 3 plus 7. Now 3 4s are 12 is equals to 3a plus 7. Therefore 3a equal to 12 minus 7, which is 5. So the value of A is 5 upon 3. So the value of A we got 5 upon 3. Now next question. So this question is simple. I hope you all understand. This point is on this graph. So you have to find this unknown A. What you will do, as this point is on this graph, this point will satisfy this equation of graph. Satisfy means I can put value of x3 and value of y4, and 3y will be equals to ax plus 7. Now next question. Let y varies directly as x. If y is 12 when x is 4, then write the linear equation. What is the value of y when x is equals to 5? So here what is given? Here it is given that y varies directly as x. So y varies directly as x. So y is directly proportional to x. We can say that y upon x is some constant. So let us say this constant is k. This is constant. Now it is given that y is 12 when x is 4. So y is 12 when x is 4. Therefore we will say that 12 upon 4 is equals to k. So the value of k we will get, therefore 3 equal to k. The value of k is 3. So therefore I will say that therefore y upon x is 3. Now they ask us to find value of y when x is equals to 5. When I will say that when x is 5. So when x is 5, I have y upon 5 is equals to 3. That gives me the value of y as 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. So when x is 5, y is 15. So this is our answer. Y is equals to 15. Okay. So here in this question, it is given that y varies directly as x, and when y is 12, x is 4. So first we have written y upon x k as y is directly varying k. Then one condition is given that y is 12 when x is 4. So I put this condition and I got the value of k. Then when x is equals to 5, I have to find value of y. So in this equation y upon x equal to 3, I put value of x as 5 and got the value of y, which is 15. So y is 15. Now the last question. The work done by a body on the application of a constant force is the product of constant force and the distance travelled by the body in the direction of force. So one relation is given. This is from your physics. Okay. The work done. What is given? The work done on the application of a constant force is the product of constant force and distance. So work done is constant force into distance. So constant force into distance. Express this in the form of linear equation n2 variable and draw its graph by taking the constant force 3. So constant force we have to take 3. Let constant force is 3. Let we express work done with y and distance with x. Then I have y is equals to 3x. So this is our expression. This is our expression in the form of linear equation n2 variable, and draw its graph by taking the constant force as 3 unit. So we have taken constant force 3 unit. Now we have to draw the graph. So for drawing graph, at least 2 point or 3 point we will find out which will satisfy this equation. So when I take x0, I get y as 0 because 3 into 0 is 0. When I take x1, I get y as 3. When I take x2, I get y as 2 3 is 6. So for graph, I will draw x-axis. Now in x we have value 0, 1, 2 and in y we have value 0, 3, 6 along y. Okay, what we can do here, we can take scale as 0, 1, 2 like that, and here we can take scale as 0, 3, 6. So we can change scale along x-axis and y-axis, but we mentioned that thing here as along x-axis. What we are taking, 1 centimeter is equals to 1, and similarly along y-axis what we are taking, that we will mention. So 0, 0 is this point, then 1, 3 is along x-axis 1, along y-axis 3, I have this point, and 2, 6 I have this point along 2, 6. Now with the help of scale you can draw a line which is passing through these 3 points. So this is your equation, y is equals to 3x. Now then what is asked, what is the work done when the distance travelled is 2 unit. So when x is 2 unit, what is y? Verify it by plotting the graph. So when x is 2, we have y equal to 3 into 2, which we get 6, and this we verify from the graph. So from graph also, y is equals to 6 when x is equals to 2. So this we have verified from the graph also. Y means work done and x means the distance. So this is how you can do this 6th question. I hope you understand all the 6 questions. Yes, thank you.